Okay, good morning. I just wanted to do a quick rundown for those of you who are not in the building about how to do the radioactive dating game. First of all, the link on the top of the page does not work for some reason, so the link is attached to the assignment. Number two, you're going to start on this first tab here. Up here it says half-life, and you need to follow the directions. If you cannot see the pause at the bottom, you need to go to the right-hand side of your screen and scroll up and down. Also, unfortunately, you're going to lose the graph if you split screen. So that makes this a slightly more challenging, okay? So you are going to need to press, you're going to predict how many atoms. So you're gonna populate and put that on pause first. Okay, I need to reset my nuclei, hold on. Okay, so I have it on pause, and I populated this with completely radioactive elements. Okay, I'm going to press play. I'm going to predict how many carbon atoms are going to exist after 5,700 years, which is one half-life, which is labeled on the graph. Okay, so I want to know what percentage will still be, what percentage will be decayed after one half-life. So I'm going to press play, and then I'm going to need to press pause when this reaches the half-life. Okay, so I'm gonna press play, and then I need to press pause. Okay, and I came close. So to get my answer, I can look here. All right, at this, I can look here, or I can kind of visually assess. All right, and we're dealing with fractions or percentages. You don't need to accurately predict the number, roughly half, quarter. All right. And then for the next one, you go to the decay rates. And it's the same thing, the slider bar. Again, if you can't see this, make the interactive full screen, okay? You have a pause button here. You have a graph here. Everything's going on. You should never write the number 0 for an answer for this entire lab. The number 0 is not an appropriate answer, okay? And again, for this, you can press pause, reset the nuclei. You can press play, and you can pause it at certain spots to try to get answers of when things are radioactive, how much has decayed. This changes the element over here. All right. And then you have your measurement tab. Over here, you have your tree and your rock. Again, the play and the pause come into role. You have carbon-14. And then for the final one, you are doing the dating game. Now, different isotopes work for different things. So you have carbon-14, which you're most familiar with, but you also have uranium-238, which can be very useful, or you can do custom. When you hit custom, you can then change the half-life, okay? And you will need to use all three to accurately date. 1 billion, okay, is 1,000 million. 1,000 million has, or a million has 6 zeros. So if you're given an answer of 1.2 million years, you need to move the decimal point 6 to the right. So 1.2 million years would be 1, 200, 000. I believe you're going to need to put these numbers with all the zeros in to get the correct answer. So that is a quick primer on how you do this lab. Reach out if you have any more additional questions. This is due by the end of the day tomorrow on Friday.